I would say Duduzile is not working in isolation. Zoma is part of the misbehavior of Duduzile.
Giving attention to this particular case, we can confirm that the docket has been handed over to the Hawks Crimes Against the State Unit for further investigation. It is quite a serious case, very complex because it's transnational in nature. We are yet to interview the victims, the affected victims in this particular case.
Abanye benu bayokhala.
Illuminate yourself, align with the current affairs, have facts, and be reasonable. On this video, we are going to talk about the continuing controversy surrounding the MKP members that were sent to Russia allegedly for the bodyguard training for Jacob Zuma and the senior officials of MKP. Greetings to everyone. Fellow South Africans, as we have seen, the scandal surrounding the South Africans that are stuck in the war zone between Ukraine and Russia is gaining momentum. It is alleged, as the video that I have tagged here is showing, that one of them is saying they have been there for more than 4 months. And then he is showing that they have been held without their wish, meaning they didn't even know the reason that they were going there is that they will be passed over after signing a particular set of papers to just go and become the frontline soldiers in support of the mercenaries. Remember, the mercenaries are the trained a group, just like the security company. There are a trained group in Russia. There's a big trained group of the army that helps Russia even in the war zone in Ukraine. So he's saying they were held against their will and they want to come back home. As if that was not enough, the daughter, this oldest daughter of Jacob Zuma, Nkosazana Zuma Ngube, has opened a court case against Duduzile Zuma Sambudla and the other MKP leaders that were involved in preparing for those alleged South Africans to go into Russia. I don't know, fellow South Africans. It seems like nowadays there's always something about South Africans and Russia, and then South Africans be held against their will. You remember thousands of, if not hundreds of young South Africans were sent over by celebrities or influencers in Russia with the pretense of them going to be given the jobs, only to find that it was a scam and it was not the case. Now, we don't know if MKP, this is the first instance that they send somebody out there for such activity. And if it has happened previously, was it successful? And why this time it was not successful? And who is providing the money for that? Is it correct to say Duduzile Zuma and those two of the MKP must directly as individual be held accountable? How can Duduzile Zuma know something that Jacob Zuma doesn't know? Where did they get the money for the tickets? Who did the arrangements for them to be there outside South Africa? Is it correct to say Jacob Zuma must take the total responsibility in regard to them being sent over there under the umbrella of MK political party? What do you think this is gonna do to the Jacob Zuma's children, siblings, his own children, and what is it gonna do to the overall Zuma families? Because according to the letter written by actually the affidavit written by Jacob Zuma's daughter, she is saying it's about 8 of the Zuma relatives that are part of those that are there. Did Jacob Zuma did enough to try to let them come back? Was the letter enough? How much relationship does Jacob Zuma have with Russia to such an extent that for so much long that there have been the rumors of them wanting to come back? And Jacob Zuma on the letter claiming that the Western media will gonna come up and expose that. Hence, he wanted that matter to be dealt with at that time. Do we think Jacob Zuma has done enough? And once again, uh, uh, who must be responsible for making sure that those South Africans are coming back? Were there mechanisms that were developed between the MK party and those that it used for them to be that side? Is that a connection, or is it correct to say South African government must take control and make sure that fellow South Africans are coming back safely? What do you think? Do you think the politicians have turned out to use some of us for their own good, etc.? What do you think about this? What does it mean for the MKP that is always on the news for not so good reasons? Do we expect this to have a very, very damaging image for the MKP going forward? Let us hear what you say on the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.